Renault Symbioz is compact on the outside and generous on the inside. The sophisticated Iconic finishes on a par with the best in the C segment. Its colors and materials give it a distinctive, modern look, setting it apart from other vehicles in the range. The wide mesh upholstery fabric, for example, features a fragment of the diamond logo on the backs of the front seats. The top section of the dashboard features a brushed aluminium finish, while the lower section is finished in TEP with visible top stitching. With its sporty look, the Esprit Alpine level trim features high-gloss black window surrounds, special 19-inch wheels, two 25/45 and 19 tires, an aerodynamic splitter and front and rear skid plates with slate grey matte paintwork. Renault Symbioz also gains best-in-class boot space. With the rear bench designed to slide over 16 cm, the load volume can be varied as required from 492 litres to 624 litres, and up to 1,582 litres with the rear bench seat folded down. This creates a load length of 1.68 m. The boot has no lip and a flat floor, making it easy to load. It is also easily accessible. The driver can open or close the power tailgate using the electric button on the boot, the hands-free card, or simply by swiping a foot under the sensor on the rear bumper. Renault Symbioz ships with a full array of high-tech equipment, including the Solarbay tinted glass roof. Ampersky technology opacifies segments of the glass surface on demand by displacing molecules induced by an electric field, PDLC, polymer dispersed liquid crystal, technology. The OpenR Link multimedia system with Google built-in features a 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen as standard on all versions and a 10.3-inch speedometer display. It provides the best of Google services with Google Maps, Google Assistant and the Google Play catalog, giving access to over 50 apps to make every journey easier, guaranteeing an experience as intuitive as with a smartphone with its new electronic architecture. Symbioz is on a par with the best for active and passive safety. It includes 29 driving aids, including rear automatic emergency braking. Drivers gain new generation driving aids, such as Active Driver Assist, for Level 2 autonomous driving, and Predictive Hybrid Driving, with a hybrid powertrain, which optimizes efficiency by maximizing the use of electrical energy while driving.